Welcome to the assembly video of Gosen A8. First, cut open the shipping straps and then proceed to open the box. To prevent any damage during transportation, we have upgraded the packaging by using machine-generated bubble wraps for cushioning. Please flip the cardboard box upside down for easier unloading of the entire bike. Proceed to remove the wrappings protecting the bike. When removing the battery, note that the key is in the foam with the battery. Let's open that small box to see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find a handbook, a bag of tools, pedals, metal plates for basket, the bell, and a charger. Now let's install the front wheel, take the hub axle off, and then the brake pad protector. You will no longer need them. Remove the protectors from the front wheel and loosen nuts and spacer. Gently pick up the bike and lower the front fork onto the front wheel, aligning the brake disc to the pads. When installing the spacer, make sure that the safety hook is inserted into the hole above, add the nut, and you can now tighten up the front wheel. Hold down the front fork, then twist the head of the handlebar until it is facing frontwards. Take off the front attachment by removing the 4 screws. Place in handlebar, then set up the front attachment as shown. Secure the handlebar by putting the screws back in place diagonally. Adjust the horizontal direction of the handlebar and tighten the screw. It's now time to align the handlebar, hold the front wheel between your legs, and try to turn the handlebar. Make sure the handlebars aligns with the front wheel. Use Allen key to tighten the screws. Make sure the handlebar stays in line with the front wheel. Now, let's arrange the front fenders and lights. Remove the bolts and washers. Next is the fender. Start by sliding it in place. The front light is attached together with the fender. Use the included bolt and washers to fix them in place. Remove the screws and secure the fender. Remove the screws from the frame. To install the fenders and rear rack, use screws to attach the fender bars and rear rack to the sides of the bike. Remove the screws from the frame. Set the rack in place with the screws. Take the right pedal. If in doubt, look for the letter R on it. Screw it clockwise onto the crank by hand. Then tighten firmly using the number 15 wrench. The left pedal has an L on it and is screwed on clockwise. Then tighten firmly using the number 15 wrench. Unfold the saddle fastener and adjust the saddle to your comfortable riding height. Fold back in to tighten. Install the battery into the battery slot. Slide down to make sure it clicks into place. The keys provided for the bike are used to secure the battery. Complete assembly. Double check that the seat post and handlebar are firmly installed. Turn on the battery. Turn on the LCD dashboard. Test the throttle. You can press the plus/minus button to adjust the level of pedal assist from level 1, 5. Test the gear shift. The charging port is located on the side of the battery. Charge the battery. Light turns red to indicate charging. Wait for it to finish. Detach the keys and then turn the key to the left to unlock the battery. Take out the battery. Charge the battery. The red light indicates charging. That's it. Your Gosen EBK is ready to ride. Before every ride, check your e-bike carefully to ensure it is ready to go. Thanks for watching.